It can hardly be overlooked. Overlooked, overlooked. Overlooked, what is the meaning of overlooked? Overlooked, nazarandaz. Nazarandaz, overlooked, nazarandaz. It can be hardly be overlooked, इसे शायद ही नजरअंदाज किया जा सकता है. सिंक्रोनस, सिंक्रोनस एक समय का, सिंक्रोनस एक समय का. In detailed English we can say existing or occurring at the same time, existing or occurring at the same time. And for that we will use the word synchronous. Synchronous, synchronous, synchronous. What is the, how we will spell it? Synchronous. Synchronous means एक समय का, existing और occurring at the same time. Subsequent बाद का, merely केवल, subsequent बाद का merely केवल. Substantive मूल, substantive changes ठोस परिवर्तन, substantive मूल, substantive changes ठोस परिवर्तन. Aspiration आकांक्षा, आकांक्षा, आकांक्षा या आकांक्षा, आकांक्षा. Aspiration आकांक्षा. डायरकी द्विशासन, डायरकी द्विशासन, डायरकी द्विशासन. शाउट मांग, शाउट ट्राई टू, शाउट ढूंढा गया, शाउट मांग. रिजॉर्टिंग सहारा, रिजॉर्टिंग सहारा. दस इस प्रकार, दस इस प्रकार, दस इस प्रकार. डिवोल्यूशन हस्तांतरण, डिवोल्यूशन हस्तांतरण, डिवोल्यूशन हस्तांतरण. एनकम्बरेंस, एनकम sorry encumbrance, encumbrance, encumbrance. How we will spell it? encumbrance. Encumbrance means burden, encumbrance means burden. Pertain, pertain means संबंधित, pertain means संबंधित, pertain means संबंधित, pertain means संबंधित. Repugnant, repugnant means conflicting or inconsistent with something else, especially with another law or principle. In Hindi we call it प्रतिकूल or विरुद्ध. Repugnant means conflicting or inconsistent with something else, especially with another law or principle. Repugnant means conflicting or inconsistent with something else, especially with another law or principle. In Hindi we call it pratikul or virud. Presided, presided means an act of being in charge. Adhyakshata, adhyakshata. Presiding officer, है ना? We have heard the term presiding officer. Presided means adhyakshata, an act of being in charge. Next word is agya. Agya means in Hindi ज्ञान शून्य, who do not understand anything, who do not understand anything. For that we will use the word agya or ज्ञान शून्य. Agya ज्ञान शून्य, who do not understand anything. Abodh, abodh means innocent, who do not have knowledge. Abodh means innocent, a person who is innocent by nature and who do not have knowledge. For that we will use the word in Hindi abodh. Anbhigya, anbhigya is unaware on any particular topic. Anbhigya means unaware on any particular topic. Anbhigya means unaware on any particular topic. Agyat means unknown, agyat means unknown. Adbhut means wonderful, adbhut, adbhut. Agyat, unknown, adbhut, wonderful. Vichitra, weird, vichitra, weird, vichitra, weird. Vilakshan, fantastic, vilakshan, fantastic, vilakshan, fantastic. Pryapt, sufficient, pryapt, sufficient. Adhivesan means temporary 2 or 4 days submit session or the session. Adhivesan is the meeting or gathering around for a formal meeting who is for almost 2 to 4 days, and of that session we called it adhivesan. Anusilan means persuasion. Anushilan means persuasion. Anushilan, persuasion. Anugrah, grace. Anugrah, grace. Anukampa, compassion. Anukampa, compassion. Anukampa, compassion. Anupam, incomparable. Anupam, incomparable. Anupam, incomparable. Advitya, unique or unmatched. Advitya, unique or unmatched. Advitya, unique or unmatched. Anubhuti, feeling. Anubhuti, feeling. Anubhuti, feeling. Asakti, attachment. Asakti, attachment. Asakti, attachment. So we have finished almost 32 words today, and we can do few more words. Deteriorates means bigadna. Deteriorates means bigadna. Poaching means अवैध शिकार. Deteriorates means बिगड़ना. Poaching means अवैध शिकार. Hitch, अड़चन. Hitch, अड़चन. Metamorphosis, metamorphosis काया पलट. Metamorphosis काया पलट. Patio, आंगन. Patio, आंगन. Miscreant, miscreant बदमाश या नीच या भ्रष्ट. Miscreant, MISCREANT, miscreant बदमाश या नीच या भ्रष्ट. Synchronization, synchronization, the situation when two or more actions happen at exactly the same time or the act of making this happen. In Hindi we call it tulya kalan. Synchronization, the situation when two or more action happen at exactly the same time or the act of making this happen. Eliciting, eliciting or eliciting, प्रकाश में लाना या फिर सार निकालना. एलिसिटिंग या एलिसाइटिंग. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज रेनमरेशन. रेम्यूनरेशन, रेम्यूनरेशन, रेम्यूनरेशन मीन्स पारिश्रमिक. रेम्यूनरेशन मीन्स पारिश्रमिक. फिशरीज, दरारे या नहीं, फिशरीज मीन्स दरारे. FI, is it fishers? Let me tell you the words, the letters. FISSURES, FISSURES, fishers. I don't know it is fishers or fishers or fishers. So fishers basically means darare. Shackled, in the land of the free. Shackled means बांध कर. Shackled, shackled means बांध कर. Shackled in the land of the free means आज़ादी की ज़मीन पर जंजीरों में जंजीरों में जकड़े हुए. आज़ादी की ज़मीन पर जंजीरों में जकड़े हुए. Shackled in the land of the free. Okay. Next word is fratricide. Fratricide means भाई भतीजावाद. Fratricide, भाई भतीजावाद. Ruffles means झमेले. Ruffles means झमेले. Agility, agility means चुस्ती. Agility means चुस्ती फुर्ती. Agility means ability to move quickly and easily. Ability to move quickly and easily. Halo effect, आभा प्रभाव means judging someone's entire personality based on one positive trait or प्रवृत्ति. Halo effect, आभा प्रभाव means judging someone's entire personality based on one positive trait. Resilience means लचीलापन. Resilience means लचीलापन. So 5 and here 11, that is 16. We have read, we have revised 48 word today's, and not revised, we will revise it once again. And apart from, with me, you also have to revise, and or if you want to listen, you can listen it up. It can be hardly be overlooked. What was the meaning of overlooked? नजरअंदाज. इसे शायद ही नजरअंदाज किया जा सकता है. Synchronous means एक समय का. Subsequent means बाद का. Merely, केवल. Substantive, मूल. Substantive changes, ठोस परिवर्तन. Aspiration, आकांक्षा. Diarchy, द्विशासन. Shout, मांग. Resorting, सहारा. Thus, इस प्रकार. Devolution, हस्तांतरण. Encumbrance, burden, pertain, संबंधित. Repugnant means conflicting or inconsistent with something else, especially with another law or principle. In Hindi we call it pratikul or virid. Presided means an act of being in charge. In Hindi we call it adhyakshata. Agya or Gyan Sunya, who do not understand anything. Abodh means innocent, who do not have knowledge. Anvigya means unaware on any particular topic. Agyat, unknown. Adbhut, wonderful. Vichitra, weird. Vilakshan, fantastic. Paryapt, sufficient. Adhivesan, temporary 2 or 4 days summit, that is session. Anushilan, persuasion. Anugrah, grace. Anukampa, compassion. Anupam, incomparable. Advitya, unique or unmatched. Anubhuti, feeling. Asakti, attachment. Deteriorates, bigadana, poaching, अवैध शिकार, hitch, अड़चन, metamorphosis, कायापलट, पेशो, आंगन, miscreant, बदमाश, miscreant, नीच, miscreant, भ्रष्ट, synchronization, the situation when two or more actions happen at exactly at the same time, or the act of making this happen. Eliciting means प्रकाश में लाना या सार निकालना. Remuneration, पारिश्रमिक. Fishers, दरारें. Shackle in the land of the free, आजाद. Shackle means बांध कर. आज़ादी की ज़मीन पर जंजीरों में जकड़े हुए. Fratricide, भाई भतीजावाद. Ruffles, झमेले. Agility means चुस्ती. Agility means ability to move quickly and easily. Halo effect means आभा प्रभाव, means judging someone's entire personality based on one positive trait, and trait means praviti. Resilience means lachilapan. So these were the 48 words, and I hope you have also revised with me. Thank you.